Hey creators, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be making an 18650 battery charger using a universal mobile battery charger or simply desktop. Let's begin. First off, let's make a battery holder for our battery. Taking a 2mm PVC plastic pipe, cut and heat it into a flat piece. Place your battery on it and trace out the battery size for the base and other pieces too. All these pieces and the template dimensions are linked in the description below. Now assemble the parts like this. Attach the two side pieces of the battery holder first. It should look like this with only the sides attached. Before adding the two end pieces, add the battery connecting terminals. This spring will act as a negative charge carrier for the battery, while this piece from an old clock battery will act as a positive charge. Using mini screws, attach the charging module to the battery charger facing. After that is done, you can proceed to closing up the charger casing and maybe add some finishing looks to it. These stickers will act as battery connection indicators, indicating when the battery is connected and when it's charging. That's it. Our homemade 18650 battery charger is ready. I really should stop calling it an 18650 battery. You can just call it a rechargeable 3.7 volt battery too. Now let's test to see if it works. As you can see, the blinking blue light indicates that it's charging. So that's it on how to make your own 18650 battery charger at home without a charger and module. Alright, thank you for watching guys. If you found this video interesting, please make sure to leave a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss future videos from me. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.